Welcome to Ayurooms. We are doing a walkthrough of 2407 at Ayurooms in Kovalam. This is a look at the superior beach view room. And what I like about this is you have this fantastic view. Right from the comfort of your balcony. And then when you step back into your room, this is what it looks like. You've got a king-size bed. You have the kettle right there, and you've got some tea and coffee. Fridge, flat screen TV. We'll take a look at the bathroom now. Right, so you have, this is the area right outside the bathroom, and then we have doors, traditional Kerala doors that separate the toilet area, and then you have a semi-open bathroom with a rainfall shower as well as a hand shower. As you can see, the tile work is very nice, very pleasant colors. These are the toiletries that are traditionally kept in the room. This is your wardrobe. You've got the electronic safe there. You've got an ironing board. Bathrobe. If you need more bathrobes, it can be organized, not a problem. And space to keep your luggage.